Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is AOFAR HX700N Hunting Rangefinder. AOFAR rangefinders include superior pin sensor technology that can produce 6 times magnified imaging and measure with a 1-yard precision. Our rangefinders have a measurement range of 5 to 700 yards. Using the rangefinder mode, distances can be measured even in tough situations. Bring you an unforgettable hunting experience. There are 2 basic settings on the AOFAR HX700N rangefinder: range and speed. It is an inexpensive rangefinder for beginners. It can easily identify target objects and is great for hunting and golf. The HX700N rangefinder is 110 by 75 by 45 mm in size and weighs 180 grams. It is small and light, making it ideal for carrying while golfing or hunting. It's waterproof, dustproof, and tough. Carrying pouch, CR2 battery, portable rope, carabiner, cleaning cloth, and user instructions are all included. With the latest AI technology that auto-calculates distance or speed of your prey, the AOFAR functional HX700N hunting rangefinder provides you with precise and rapid shooting. To switch between units, M or Y, press the mode button for 3 seconds. Then, aim the center of the circle at the 5-yard target object, push the power button to measure, and the distance will be displayed on the LCD. To change the mode, click the mode button. For details, let's watch more. Our second best hunting gear is Kikarite Folding Stool Hunting Fishing Multifunction Chair. When not in use, it can be completely folded and carried. It folds up nicely for traveling, packing, and storing in the trunk of your car to take with you everywhere you go. Camping, hiking, hunting, climbing, fishing, picnics, and other outdoor activities require professional and ideal equipment. Backpack, insulated cooler bag, and chair are all included. For added comfort, the backpack offers a lightweight seat, breathable straps, and wide shoulders. Ergonomic design also adds extra stability and comfort. After folding, the backpack cooler stool is compact, easy to carry and store. The trendy folding backpack chair has a lot of compartments and plenty of storage space. 2 outer pockets are ideal for storing a teacup, a water bottle, a mobile phone, and other items. This backpack's design should be developed from the hope that everywhere you go, you'll always have a seat to relax and refreshing drinks handy. When not in use, it can be completely folded and carried. Camping, hiking, hunting, climbing, fishing, picnics, and other outdoor activities require professional and ideal equipment. Third choice in our list is Case Survival Hunting Kits. This is likely to be a unique gift for fathers, husbands, boyfriends, scouts, cool gadgets, and Christmas stocking stuffers for birthdays, Valentine's Day, and Christmas for individuals who enjoy the outdoors. This will astonish your loved ones. This all-in-one survival pack has everything a survivalist or outdoor enthusiast might possibly need. A 5-in-1 parachute cord bracelet, built-in compass, whistle, compass, and a thermal blanket to combat hypothermia are all included in the 19-in-1. It can assist you in quickly addressing the requirements of multiple scenarios. This camping equipment is ideal for being prepared for any emergency. It also aids in keeping you safe and secure whether hiking, camping, hunting, fishing, trekking, or adventuring. The box is 8.2 by 5.1 by 2.7 inches, weighs only 1.8 pounds, and features a watertight and shockproof foam interior. Simple to transport and fits in any automobile, hiking backpack, or camping equipment. This case survival kit was created by 3 American wilderness survival professionals and has quickly acquired appeal among many outdoor enthusiasts. Number 4 in our side is Mossy Oak Fixed Blade Hunting Knife Set. Made of premium steel, this black razor-sharp fixed blade has superior hardness, better edge holding, toughness, and corrosion resistance. Unique green camo pattern on handle surface, fashionable and disguised for outdoor use, comfortable grasp and balancing, ergonomic handle groove is non-slip to use. Lanyard hole for easier transport. Mossy Oak Breakup County Game Processing Knife Set Nylon Dual Carry Black Sheath allows easy and secure carry and keeps everything at your fingers when needed. It has a button snap and a belt loop for convenient and secure carrying. Suitable for a variety of outdoor circumstances, including hunting, survival, tactical, industrial, and military use. Every day, we put our life's work into finding new methods to communicate our passions and knowledge. Mossy Oak is in the business of being outside, from the soil to wildlife groceries to the promotion of the outdoor lifestyle. Last in our top 5 best hunting gear list is New View Hunting Clothes for Men. They create New View's 3 distinct camouflage patterns. More than 35,000 hunters wear our clothing and hunt in the woods, mountains, swamps, farming, shrubs, and other habitats. They can swiftly merge into nature and remain inconspicuous while hunting big game, small animals, and migrating birds. Removable hood, one-way zipper instead of two-way zipper to limit noise, and zippers on all pockets to keep items from tumbling out. We also realign all zipper compartments to eliminate zipper bump sounds. The elastic waistband has a range of adjustment from 0.5 to 3 inches. The New View hunting coats are made of silent fabric that will not rustle as your child moves. DWR, durable water repellent, finishes on the outer of jackets and pants repel moisture and keep you dry in light rain or snow. The hood is detachable, and the bottom of the jacket features a drawstring to help with fit. The inner linings are made of a soft, toasty cotton. It is a very sporty and stylish jacket that is ideal for camping, hunting, trekking, fishing, and other outdoor activities in windy conditions. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.